Just taking a break from some machining. But relativity says that there is space-time, and space-time is flat with no mass present. There's mass present, space-time curves. The curvature of space-time is equal to gravity. Light bends around the curvature of space-time. And if there is an explosion of that body, that space-time would just boom, go flat instantly, if not have some sort of a little rebound or a recoil. That's not real though. So the claim for general relativity is that gravity gets cut off in real time, instantaneous. Explosion here, instantaneous recoil of the space-time curvature back to flat again, which means all of the planets orbiting around the sun, if that sun exploded, according to the general relativity, all the planets would immediately go flying off into space, yet the planets would still observe the sun in the location, spinning around, looping in the sky just fine. That doesn't really make sense. So classic physics says there is no space-time, that time is the same from all frames of reference. Reality is linked to time. You can't change reality or the perspective of time, even through the cosmos, from all frames of reference. We are already orbiting a Barycenter. We're already offset. So the Earth is not orbiting exactly the center of the sun. It's orbiting 20.5 arc seconds off. So the sun is actually, the Earth is orbiting the sun where it was 8.33 minutes ago. So there is an offset and delay of the signals propagating from the sun to the planets. And there's a delay from the gravity propagating from the sun to the planets. And if the sun exploded, we would all see the explosion happen in real time, but we wouldn't feel its effects, and that shock wave wouldn't reach us for 8.33 minutes. Not that the sun would explode, space-time curvature would flatten, and then everything would fly away instantly. No, it would take time for that wave of destruction to propagate out at the speed of light. And that would take 8.33 minutes from here. But if that happened at the center of our galaxy, it would take 13,000 light years for that wave of destruction to happen. And if that active galactic nuclei is still there, then we just continue orbiting. And if it isn't there, then we'd continue orbiting as if it was already there until that wave of destruction reaches us. So that's kind of what that says. So, rather than say there is some black hole at the center of a galaxy bending the curvature of space-time and attracting all of the mass to the center, maybe we should say that there used to be a central star at the center of a galaxy if you are seeing stars orbiting nothing. That event exploded long ago, yet the stars are still orbiting that galactic barycenter, and that wave of destruction has not propagated to that portion of the galaxy. So no need for fourth dimensions and fabrics of space or black holes, just 3D Euclidean space, the rules of Pythagoras, X, Y, and Z, here and now, to everyone.